Hi guys, so kararating lang natin dito sa unit na nakuha natin and yeah, sobrang ganda naman. Maganda naman siya, comfy. Given lahat, merong oven, may ref, may lutuan. So depende kung paglulutuin tayo ng manok, may dala naman tayo. Tapos, ayun, proceed tayo sa fifth meal, which is same pa din, rice cakes and jam and peanut butter. Prepare lang ako. What's up guys? Welcome back. So this is going to be the last meal that we have for today. At dito magtatapos ang ating full eating vlog. Jasmine. Oh,
Sorry.
kaya mo ah.
Sorry, hindi ko nadya.
So after natin magpasok ng burger, check muna bago matulog. What's up guys? Good morning. It's already 4:05 in this morning and pump check muna tayo ng fasted. Good morning guys, today is May 17. Ang agenda natin for today is mag-prepare ng first meal. Tapos after that, punta na tayo ng event center which is Palacio de Maynila. Registration, tanning, tapos yung mga nilatag sa ating meal. Along the way, titirahin na natin. Pero ngayon, Magpe-prepare muna ako ng 200 grams of rice for the first meal. Plus 1 rice cake with jam and peanut butter combined. So, samahan niyo ako. Good morning, guys. So today is the day, May 18. We're going to Palacio de Maynila for the registration and tanning. Hi, we say hi to the camera. Kita-tips tayo mamaya. Almost game day, so nakatulog tayo ng I get 2 hours din halos. Wala pa akong liquid na tinitik simula kagabi, pero laban. Ito yung ano natin, anong tawag dun, state natin.
Carlos Suarez.
You can do it, man! Hey! Good job!
Well done, Angelo.
Good job!
Number 80, Rafael Acevedo. One 76.
Let's go! Let's go!
79.
Hey!
5.
Let's go! 79!
84. This roll that was called out, please stay on the stage. The rest step down, please.
Good job! Good job, 79!
Well done.
Good job!
This is the men's natural rookie category.
Let's go, 79!
Front pose, please. Let's go! Move on!
Go, 79!
Warriors faces, guys. Come on, the instructions are looking. Come on. Sexy faces. Those judges are having a hard time. 97 and 60. 97 and 60. 97 and 60.
Go, 79!
And backwards, please. All right, let's show them what we got. Face front, please. Thank you very much, guys. Congratulations, athletes. Kaya pa?
Ilaw! Ilaw!
Back pose, please. Yun yung magiging back pose ng ating judges, athletes. And hold it. Front pose, please. Front pose. We have 85 and 68 change. 29 and 20 change, please.
Let's go!
Back pose, please. Front pose, please. Okay, thank you guys.
Number 79, Angelo Suarez. In fourth place, we have athlete number 28, Jonathan Gulachani.
Congrats, B!
For third place, let's give it up for athlete number 79, Angelo Suarez.
Congrats, B!
All right. Congratulations, Angelo, for second place.
What's up, YouTube? So, yep, we're back after the competition. So, kakatapos lang ng first ever show natin. From having no experience, now we already have the experience and we already know the vibe, the energy, yung pressure sa backstage, yung amoy ng tanning spray, everything. So, alam na natin yun. And we're very thankful for that experience. And, yep, masaya. Sobrang excited. Makikita niyo naman siguro sa video na ilalabas natin. And, ayun. So, naglaro tayo ng 3 category. So, sa men's physique natural rookie, ito yung nakuha natin. Certificate. So, out of 44 first-timers, rookie, first call-out tayo. At naka-place tayo ng 4th place, which is good. Okay? Then, after the second category na sinampahan natin is yung, I believe, all novice, novice B, novice D, I don't know. Let's see, balikan natin. Pero, eto, naka-place ako ng 3rd. At may kwento yon. Kasi sa sobrang kulit ko, sa sobrang excited ko, hindi ko na alam na yung susunod na category ay ako na ulit. So, humabol lang ako at muntik pang hindi makasampa, pero God did. Ayun, nakapwesto tayo ng 3rd. Na-present pa rin natin ang mga isang sarili natin. So, yep. Isa sa mga lesson yun. So, dapat attentive tayo palagi. And, yun, masaya experience. We're able to eat normal food ulit. Very gradual lang. Pizza. Ano pa ba? Chicken pa din, pero prito. tapos spaghetti. Ayan, tapos pinasukan natin ng mga cravings natin na bread. So, ayan. Okay lang, masaya. Masaya yung naging resulta. Happy. As in, parang sabi ko nga palagi sa mga post ko parang batang naglalaro lang. So, yeah. Sobrang in-enjoy ko lang yung very first experience natin. Maraming learnings, maraming dapat madapat baguhin at dapat i-make sure. So, ililista natin yan. Solid na experience, solid yung support. Lalo na ng aking pinakamamahal.
Yun talaga.
Number one, support as well as my coach na wala man sa event pero hindi ako pinabayaan online. Lahat, carb timing, lahat ng pasok ng food, anything, kung anong dapat gawin, he got me. So, thank you, Coach Stanley Bernardino, number one coaching for me. And as well as KSY and team and staff, Master Ken Hanaoka, salamat. Coach Lori, Capseat, salamat sa inyo. And after this, we are 7 weeks out from the NPC Regional Show. So, yun yung paghahandaan natin. Ensayo pa din. All gas. Yung pa din. Balik sa dating gawin. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagsubaybay. Sana na-inspired kayo na hindi hadlang ang hectic na schedule. By the way, I work at night. Night shifter po ako. So, hindi hadlang ang oras ng iyong trabaho at kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. Depende sa kung ano yung goal na gusto mong i-attain. So, yun ang aking purpose dito. Sana na-inspire kayo at masimulan na ang inyong fitness journey. Maraming salamat sa mga susunod pang episode. Yun lang at peace.
Ito po pala. Bawal mo yan kainin.
Ito lang. Yung matamis Wala. Alat.
Lagot ka.
Alat. Di matamis.